Good morning! We're here upstairs, living on the back at Tita Marcy's new house. Then we're playing Nerf. And they're using the mini laptop over there. If you can see, that's Maxine and Miss Sarmiento. With Ducky Momo. And then show Ducky Momo. Yeah, this is Ducky Momo, the finished product. The paper machine. So we're going back here. So see over there, that's Miko's room. It's a dirty room. And then at the other side, you can't see it, but there, that like this part here. You go straight ahead there. That's Maxine's room. And then that one over there is Ate Banji. Say hi, Ate Banji.
I'm Ate
See you. That's Ate Banji. Say hi.
Go. Talk, Banji. No talk there.
Now she's going downstairs.
You're going down. Where you go?
Come on, let's play Nerf fast.
Where you go? I shot there.
Hey! Oh my god. Hey, show your face. Let's play.
You got that your butt.
Nerf.
How I get there?
Quack, quack, quack.
Use that.
Where's Ducky Momo? Can I borrow Ducky
Use
Momo?
that. Use that. Wait. I'm going to do this. Going by.
Hi, Bataan. I miss you.
New name.
Ilang days na lang. Just
So now you can pee your bed like this.
No, don't shoot the apple.
Like this. No, I know now. Be fun.
Goodbye. Still in my... Ow, that hurts.
Here. Yeah,
Wait.
I want to go.
Wait. Fine. So, I'm still wearing my pajamas.
how to make the shark.
Wait, Miko, let's save it first. Ooh, there's Ate Ai. She's going downstairs.
Annie, sit.
Going
Down.
Annie
Shin, I hate her. She's a complainer.
Okay,
Hey,
now,
please
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, girls, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So long.
Don't forget to pee your bed.
Okay, she says don't forget to pee in your bed.
Bye, good night. Don't forget to pee your bed.
Okay.